In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import data in Hubspot, specifically focusing on contacts, companies, deals, and tickets. Whether you're new to HubSpot or just looking to refresh your knowledge, these steps will guide you through the process smoothly and efficiently. To start off, head over to the HubSpot homepage. If you're not already familiar, HubSpot is a powerful software tool designed to help businesses manage and analyze various aspects of their marketing, sales, and customer service. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Login button. Clicking it will take you to the login page where you can enter your credentials to access your HubSpot account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the HubSpot home dashboard. This is your central hub for everything you'll need. From here, you'll want to navigate to CRM, which stands for Customer Relationship Management. Think of CRM as your main point for managing all interactions and data associated with your contacts. After selecting CRM, click on Contacts. This section is where you'll focus on managing all data related to individual people, whether they are potential leads, current customers, or past clients. It's essential to have all your contacts organized in one place for seamless communication and management. Next, you'll see an Import button. Go ahead and click it. Importing is a feature that allows you to bring in data from various sources, ensuring you can keep all your information updated and centralized. Once you've clicked Import, select Import a file. If you're wondering why it's necessary to select a file, it's because files such as spreadsheets are a common format for storing and transferring data. Now click on Start Import. This option allows you to kick off the process of bringing in your data into HubSpot. Following this, you have the chance to import different categories of data: contacts, companies, deals, and tickets. Each of these plays a unique role within HubSpot. For instance, contacts are individual entries for every person you interact with. Companies group these contacts by organization, deals track your business transactions, and tickets are used for handling customer service inquiries. Select each category that you intend to import by clicking on Contacts, Companies, Deals, and finally Tickets. Once all your selections are made, click Next. The next step involves choosing the file you want to import. Here, look for the option to choose a file on your device. It's crucial to ensure your file is correctly formatted prior to this step so that the import process runs without issues. And that's it. By following these straightforward steps, you can seamlessly import essential data into HubSpot, ensuring your CRM is always up to date and fully equipped to support your business operations. Thank you for watching and happy importing.